Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you how to make question paper on Google Form. First of all, open your Gmail account. Click on 9 dots present on the top right corner. Click on Drive. Select New and you will find an option called More. You have More and Google Forms. An untitled form will open, right? Change the name of the form so that it will be easy for you to recognize or to search your form. Let me exam name, whatever you want to give. Let us give half yearly exam, right? So, so now the name of the form is half yearly exam. Now you can click on customize theme option that is available on the screen on the top. Under the head, click that one. Under the header option, choose image you want to upload. Let us upload from the system. Yes, the image is uploading. If you want to show, in case of a logo, you have to drag this rectangle to the upward direction and then click on done. The logo or the image will appear at the top, whatever you have, right? Then coming to the next part, you can write the form description like maximum marks you want to give. Let us say 20 is there, time and subject. You can mention the subject over here, subject computers. Time, let us take 40 minutes and whatever instruction you want to give, you can give here, right? Now, first of all, the student will close this theme option. First of all, student will have to enter the name. So I'm writing name over here, and here is the type of answer, whatever you want to take from the students. So short answer is there. We will select short answer, and moving, it will be a compulsory question. Move to the next one. This plus sign will add a new question. So I'm entering roll number. Again, the answer will be the short answer. The number is number. It will show you automatically number is number so that the student can enter the numeric value. If he or she enters the character value, then there should be a message, enter the numbers only, right? Make it required again. Then again click this plus sign, add question, and type class. Now I want to give the class multiple options. Let us take 5th A, 5th B, and 5th C. This will help us to sort our answer according to the section 1. So I'm making it required. Now start framing the question by plus sign. Again, you can select multiple choice for MCQ type and paragraph for subjective questions. Either you can have this file upload option too. So I'm making one objective and one subjective option. So objective is, let us take select the input device, and I am giving it as a multiple choice, and the option are, let us say, mouse, printer, plotter, and none of the above. Right now, if it is required compulsory part, you have to turn on required. And next subjective question, let us say define computers. Right now it should be a short answer or a paragraph, that depends on you. Paragraph required is compulsory again. Now we have made a question paper. Now click on setting option that is visible here. Click on setting option. We have general, presentation, and quizzes are there. In general, select the required sign-in limit to one response. There is no need to select anything else. Presentation, if you want to give the message, submit it so that your student will get the message like this. Quizzes. Make this a quiz. Now this Google form is converting into quiz, that is a question paper. And release grade we will select later after manual review. We will uncheck all these options and save. Now the settings has been done. Now how to share the link to the students. Click the send button and there is a clip sign, that is a link sign is there. Click on that. Click the shorten URL. It will shorten your URL, and then click on copy and paste wherever you want to paste. Right now I am canceling it. If you want to share with the teacher, click on collaborators. Add collaborators in the bottom of the screen. If you can see this option, add collaborators, you can type the name of the teachers with whom you want to share the question paper. So that the Gmail account, right? Sorry, Gmail account. Let us say I have shared this one, and the editor right is there. We are giving editor right and send button. Now the question paper will be shared with the person. The person added message is visible to everybody. Thank you.